Good morning, students. I hope you all are happy and healthy. Welcome to your English grammar class. Today, we are going to learn about articles. You have already learned article a and an. Today, we are going to learn about the definite article the. There is one definite article and it is the word the. The is a definite article. It indicates exactly. It tells definitely which item we are talking about. For example, I fixed the car. It means that I fixed not just any car, but I fixed the car, and it is a specific car which we are talking about. Therefore, the article tells which car it is. Okay, so it is a definite article. Article the is used before unique objects. Unique means the thing which is only one, like the sun, the sky, the moon, the earth. Before the names of mountains, rivers, oceans, deserts, etc. For example, Ganga is a name of a river, so we'll use the Ganga. The Sahara, it is a desert. The Pacific, it's an ocean. Before the names of books, when we are talking about a specific book, then we use article the. For example, the Bible, the Ramayana, the Quran. When we are talking about the names of the newspaper, then also we use article the, like the Times of India, the Hindu. All these are names of the newspapers. We use article the with the names of countries, which includes republic, kingdom, states and emirates. For example, the United Kingdom, the United States. With an adjective used as a noun describing a nationality. When we are describing somebody's nationality, then we use article the. For example, the Japanese, the French, the Germans, the Indians. With the name of a whole family, when we are talking about a complete family, then we use article the, like the Beatles, the Michelles. Like if your family's last name is Sharma, then we'll use the Sharmas, the Guptas. With adjectives to express groups. For example, the rich, the poor, the bright. When we talk about something for the first time, we use a or an. When we talk about the same thing again, we use the. Because when we are talking about the same thing again in the sentence, it means now we are talking about a specific thing. So we use article the. For example, I saw a dog. The dog was barking. So in the first part of the sentence, we are talking about any dog. I saw a dog. And now in the second part of the sentence, we are talking about the specific dog. So we are using article the. The dog was barking. I have a car. The car is red. Next example, I saw a monkey in the zoo. The monkey was very naughty. So children, let's see few more examples. First one, the sun is shining bright in the sky. Here sun and sky both are unique, so we used article the. Second, we will go to the fair tomorrow. Here we are talking about a particular fair, so we are using article the. I live in the state of Texas. Fourth is the movie is good. Here again we are using a particular, talking about a particular movie. So we used article the. Fifth one, yesterday I bought a shirt and a t-shirt. The shirt was cheap, but the t-shirt was expensive. So here, the shirt and the t-shirt we are using again in the sentence. So we are using the article the in front of them. Sixth one, what is the name of the street? Here we are talking about a particular street. That is why we are using article the. Seventh, he is watching the television. Eighth, Parul is learning to play the piano. Ninth, my father reads the Times of India. 10th, the Taj Mahal is in India. Children, I hope you all have understood and enjoyed today's topic. Thank you.